Hey everybody, it's Drew. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new kit that I'm going to be building, and we'll take a look and see what we get inside the box. But it's this kit here. It's a 1/48 scale Hobby Boss F6F-5 Hellcat. And I haven't built a 1/48 scale World War II plane in a while, so it'll be fun. And I've been wanting to build a Hellcat for a while. So I got a good deal on this on the Scale Model Graveyard Facebook auction site. And the kit it's not brand new. Everything is sealed inside, but we'll take a look and see what we get in the box and take a look at the sprues, instructions, and all that stuff. And if you haven't started my channel, I would appreciate you doing so. And there's a button down here somewhere. You can hit that button and hit the bell notification. That way you can see my videos as I build this kit. I do appreciate the YouTube community, and I enjoy watching everyone else's videos, and I hope everyone can do the same for mine. If I can help someone learn something, that's great, and I really have a good time doing this. So please consider subscribing, and let me get resituated behind me, and we'll take a look and see what we got here. Thanks. Okay, so nice box art, and here are the two versions that you get. This is F6F-5 VF9 flying from the USS Lexington for a raid over Tokyo, February 1945. And this is Hellcat Menzies III, flown by CAG Commander David McCampbell, USS Essex, October 1944. It's got a copyright of 2009. It is kit number 80339. And not really a lot to see there. So let's take a look in this box. Of course, you get your instructions, the decals, colorful decal callouts, and your parts. So here's a cowling that's bagged separately, and there's also separate pieces. Looks like the instrument panel that's wrapped up there, and another bag here. So I'm going to get these out of the bag and we'll go through them and take a look. Alright, so let's take a look at the instructions. Pretty straightforward. Begin with the cockpit, engine assembly, wheels, and I believe this kit gives you the option to build the wings either up or out, so you can see different parts for that. Yeah, so you can build them the wings out or fold it up. So 6 steps. Pretty good. Again, here's a nice color call out sheet for the decals and the markings. Here are the colors, and they have Mr. Hobby, Vallejo, Model Master, Tamiya, and Humbrol. Same thing. Let's take a look at the decals. Okay, look nicely printed. Really thin, so that's nice. Nice register. Alright. Okay, let's take a look at the sprues. So the first thing is we have our clear parts, and I'm going to leave those in the bag just so I don't want to lose them. They look pretty good. I don't see any seam lines or anything on these. Same thing with the windscreen. Looks pretty good. Alright, so first one is some fuselage halves, interior parts. It's got some really nice detail there. Recessed panel lines. side. One of the criticisms of the kit is that Hobby Boss made the fuselage way too wide, and so the cockpit area is out of scale. It's really wide, but that's the only thing I can see that I've read as far as reading any kind of criticism about the kit. All right, here we go. Here's wings. Here is instrument panel, and you have part of the engine assembly here. They have this little cushion wrap on there. That's nice. I did notice there's a decal for the instrument panel, and so I'm not sure how. Hopefully they'll go down okay without having to smooth all this down. Oh, lost a cowling. And here is the cowling. Nice rivets there. There's the tires and wheels. Look pretty good. There's the engine assembly part of it. It's really nice. Bombs. It's like a well-molded kit. Okay, last sprue. This is going to be fun. Yeah, it's amazing how big a 48 scale looks to me after being doing. I've been doing a lot of the 172 scale kits. This ought to be really fun, and I'm looking forward to building it. All right, so thank you guys, appreciate it. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'll be posting videos of my as I move along in this build, and appreciate you joining me. Take care, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.